Welcome to HarvestToTable.com, Gardening Friends. Did you know that broccoli is not only a superfood packed with nutrients, but it's also surprisingly easy to grow at home? Have you long wanted to grow your own fresh, delicious broccoli right in your backyard? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore the entire process, from planting those tiny seeds to harvesting full heads of broccoli that you can be proud of. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, stick around because you're about to get broccoli growing tips and tricks you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Choose a variety to grow. Your first step to grow broccoli is to decide on the type of broccoli you want to grow. There are different varieties available, including standard heading, sprouting, and Romanesco. Broccoli is a branching plant with broad leaves and a thick stalk. Tight clusters of tiny blue-green flower buds grow at the stalk ends. These are referred to as heads. Heading broccoli varieties include Packman, Green Comet, and Arcadia. These varieties will produce one large central head and a few smaller heads. Sprouting broccoli varieties produce a smaller central head and many side shoots with smaller heads. If you want many smaller heads instead of one large central head, choose a sprouting broccoli variety. Desico and Calabrese are two popular sprouting varieties. Romanesco broccoli is a cross between broccoli and cauliflower. It has a unique fractal-like shape head that is bright, almost neon green. Like heading and sprouting broccoli, Romanesco can be eaten raw or cooked. Oh, and what about broccoli rabe? Broccoli rabe is a cousin of broccoli. It's also called rapini. Broccoli rabe is grown as much for its leaves and shoots as for the flower heads. Broccoli rabe likes the same growing conditions as broccoli, but it will bolt easily in warm weather, so it's best grown as an autumn crop. When to plant broccoli? Broccoli is a cool weather crop that must come to harvest before temperatures rise consistently above 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You will want to time your planting so that your broccoli harvest comes before temperatures warm up at the end of spring. Alternatively, plant broccoli in late summer for harvest as temperatures are falling in autumn. Plant the right broccoli variety at the right time. For spring planting, choose Arcadia and Green Comet. They grow fast and can take some heat as harvest time approaches. In mid to late summer, when you plant your fall crop, go with varieties that can take some heat. Green Jewel is one of the best. You might think broccoli is just another green vegetable, but not always. There are two purple varieties, one called Violet Queen, which is a sprouting type, and another called Rosalind, which is a classic header. There is also a white broccoli called White Sprouting Late. Whichever variety you choose, look for high-quality broccoli seeds from a reputable source or garden center. Hybrid or open-pollinated varieties are both suitable for growing broccoli. Keep in mind, you can save the seeds of open-pollinated varieties and plant them next year. Next, how to plant broccoli. You can start broccoli in one of two ways. First, you can sow seeds directly in the garden a month or two before the last frost. If you live in a mild winter climate, sow seeds in the garden in early spring so that the crop reaches harvesting size before the weather gets warm. Or secondly, You can start broccoli indoors in late winter to get a head start on the spring season. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost where you live. Broccoli seedlings started indoors can be transplanted into the garden when they have 2 to 4 true leaves as early as a day or two after the last frost. Broccoli will grow just about any place in the country, but the biggest and best harvests are where nights are cool and daytime temperatures hover in the upper 60s Fahrenheit range. How to start broccoli indoors. To start broccoli seeds indoors, fill seed trays or pots with a good quality seed starting mix and wet the mix thoroughly. Plant the seeds at a depth of around 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Place 2 to 3 seeds in each seed tray cell or pot, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Lightly cover the seeds with seed starting mix. Then, place the trays or pots in a warm and bright location, such as a south-facing window or under grow lights. Keep the seed trays warm by placing them on a heat mat or on top of the refrigerator. The ideal temperature for germination is about 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or about 20 degrees Celsius. At 75 degrees, broccoli seeds will germinate in 3 to 6 days. If your summers are very hot, start seeds for fall harvest indoors where temperatures are cooler than it is outside under the summer sun. You can move seedlings outdoors when the summer heat dissipates. Once the seedlings emerge, make sure they are in a location with bright indirect light or undergrow lights. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering. Maintain a temperature between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. When the seedlings have grown a few inches tall and developed their first true leaves, thin them out by nipping the weakest ones with a small scissors. Leave the strongest seedling in each tray cell or pot to grow on. Transplanting broccoli seedlings into the garden. Broccoli seedlings can be transplanted into the garden once they have grown their first set or two of true leaves, when they are about 4 inches tall or slightly taller. Before transplanting the seedlings outdoors, gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over the course of a week. This is called hardening off. Start by placing the seedlings outside for a few hours each day. Place them in a sheltered location, protecting them from strong winds and direct sunlight initially. Gradually increase the time and exposure to direct sunlight over a period of 7 to 10 days. After this time, the seedlings will be acclimatized to outdoor conditions and ready for transplanting. When to transplant broccoli outdoors. After the last frost date has passed and the seedlings have been hardened off, transplant them into the garden. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Broccoli will tolerate light shade, but it does best in full sun. Amend the soil with organic matter, such as aged compost or aged well-rotted manure, to improve fertility and drainage. Always test the soil pH before planting. Broccoli will do fine anywhere in the 6.2 to 7.2 range. But the closer you can get to neutral, 7.0, the bigger your harvest will be. It's best to plant broccoli where no other cabbage family plants have grown in the last 3 or 4 years. Dig holes deep enough to accommodate the seedlings' root systems. Remove the seedlings from their containers, being careful not to damage the roots, and place them in the holes. Space broccoli plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to ensure they have enough room to grow and develop large heads. If you set broccoli plants just 8 inches apart, you will get smaller heads, but the number of side shoots and heads will explode and you will get a bigger harvest. Broccoli can grow to 3 feet tall, so plant it where it won't shade smaller crops. Space rows 2 to 3 feet apart, or space plants 2 to 3 feet apart in each direction in wide rows. Watering and feeding broccoli. Water broccoli seedlings immediately after transplanting. Then continue to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Water with a gentle spray to avoid disturbing the young plants. Broccoli requires about 1 inch of water per week. That's about 1.5 gallons per week. Broccoli plants benefit from regular feeding. 2 weeks after transplanting, feed broccoli with a balanced organic fertilizer. Sprinkle the fertilizer around each plant according to the package instructions. Repeat the application in 4 to 6 weeks when buds begin to form. Alternatively, you can side dress broccoli with a dilute solution of fish emulsion or compost tea every 4 weeks. Add a layer of mulch around the plants to help conserve moisture, regulate soil temperature, and prevent weeds. Be sure to increase watering during dry spells. Protect broccoli from pests and diseases. Monitor your broccoli plants for pests, such as aphids, cabbage worms, and slugs. Take appropriate measures to control pests. Floating row covers set in place on the day of planting will deter aphids, flea beetles, and cabbage worms. To help avoid soil-borne diseases, do not plant broccoli or other cabbage family plants in the same spot more than once every 3 to 4 years. Harvesting. In about 50 to 70 days, depending on the variety, your broccoli heads should be ready to harvest. Harvest broccoli when the heads are firm and tight, before the buds start to open. The broccoli heads that we eat are actually clusters of flower buds. Make sure you harvest the heads before they start turning yellow. Once the flowers begin to bloom, the heads will have a bitter taste. Cut the central head off when it reaches its desired size, leaving the plant intact to develop smaller side shoots that can also be harvested later. Cut the main head at a slanted angle, leaving around 6 inches of stem attached. Cut heads from side shoots as soon as they reach edible size, that is bite-sized. Even after the central head is harvested, side shoots will continue to develop and can be harvested over time. Here's a tip for getting rid of bugs in broccoli after the florets have been harvested. Pour 1/4 cup of salt and 1 tablespoon of vinegar into a sink full of cold water. Then drop the broccoli heads in and keep them submerged for about 15 minutes. The bugs will float to the surface and you can skim them off. Afterwards, rinse the broccoli with cold water before cooking. And there you have it. Growing broccoli from seed to harvest is truly rewarding and not as difficult as it might seem. Remember, growing conditions can vary depending on your location and climate, so it's important to adjust these growing steps accordingly. By following these steps, you can successfully grow broccoli from seed and enjoy a bountiful harvest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear about your gardening experiences, so drop a comment below and let us know how your broccoli is coming along. To get our complete broccoli growing guide, visit harvesttotable.com and enter the words "Grow Broccoli" in the search bar. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.